morning, welcome to Sew Tangle Quilts. I just want to give you a quick sneak peek of some fabric that I just got in probably a week or so ago. These are from Northcott and they are quite a departure from what I usually get. As you can see, this line has two panels. This beautiful, very colorful flower that goes down into black and white, and then kind of the opposite, this black and white flower that drips down into these watercolor colors. I've got some companion fabrics to go with it. This blue and green, oh, this beautiful, beautiful royal purple with green, and then these two stripe fabrics that go with it. Another line that I got is called Night Vision, and it has kind of these psychedelic looking patterns in blue and green, has a lot of purple and yellow in it. To see the full unboxing, go to my YouTube channel. That's youtube.com/@sewtangle7480. Have a great day. Bye.